But you know I've been solid. Been solid, been solid, been solid, been solid. Been switching up cities, rolling and ducking Impalas. Been solid, move like a gangster in silence. Been stacking it up, you know to tell more money problems. B-ho gon' respect me. So many cars, I just went through my gutter Lex key. Ain't no police around, it's for they gon' protect me. I pour some liquor out for sure, they tell them rest in peace. Bitch, I'm stacking all my money.
What's up, Sci-Fi Bra here. This guy had been parked and he was speed trapping people. Car number 16, plate number E8059. And he came after these peoples with sirens and cherries and berries. We're on Taylor Drive and Main in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Officer, looks like it says Gordon. Officer Gordeau. Sorry, so shaky, guys. I don't have my stabilizer or monopod or nothing. Just about to pull over and film this guy speed trapping people, and then he got one. So I had to come back for him. Got a little Dodge Dart. I think it's a 4-cylinder. Be surprised if he was speeding. Oh, you had to check his notes. I think he might be a new officer. I'm not sure though. This is that same dirty beat up car from the other day, you guys. See this? They were ramming something. Pretty nice day today, but it's kind of cool, on the cooler side. I'm so shaky. There we go. The left hand is a little better because it's not as, hasn't been held up for the whole time. I think it's safe to say summer's here. We've had our heat off for like a week now here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Oh, there he goes. He's got his paperwork. I can see the person's driver's license, but I can't zoom in that far. I'm glad I don't want to show their information anyways, but it's kind of funny how he's holding it knowing I'm standing right here with a camera, isn't it? Ooh, all kinds of paperwork. Waiting for it to print out.
Great day, sir.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What is your name?
Officer Godaji.
Godaji?
Yeah.
Are you going to be setting the speed trap back up?
Setting a speed trap?
Well, that's
You
what
mean
you were
running
doing.
traffic?
That's what you were doing over there.
Running traffic?
Yes. Are you going to be setting up to do that some more?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
It depends. At this point, probably not.
Oh, good. Then I'll have to go get my speed trap sign, right? And alert people that you're stealing their money or you want to steal revenue collect from them?
You're welcome to get your sign, sir.
Okay.
Public walkway, if you want to put up a sign, you're welcome to put up a sign.
I know that.
All right. Have a great day.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. We got Officer Gordagier out here stealing people's hard-earned money. And he said he's done stealing money from people now, so I guess that's a tyrant's work day done. Suck it easy. No directional when you pull away from the curb. You're supposed to merge into traffic. He's gonna go run away and speed trap some more, or I don't know what he's gonna do, but that's the end of my video, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Love, peace, and hair grease. Hasta luego. Yo, what's up? It's the Sci-Fi Bride, the video guy. It's the Sci-Fi Bride. Not gonna let this tyranny fly. It's the Sci-Fi Bride, the video guy. It's the Sci-Fi Bride. I'm not gonna let this tyranny fly. It's the Sci-Fi Bride, the video guy. It's the Sci-Fi Bride. Not gonna let this tyranny fly. The First Amendment of the Constitution says I have a right to film, freedom of press. You can't trespass my eyes. Photography is not a crime. Filming everything for public, even if Karen and Darren starts crying. Get your camera out and film me too. It's called the cam back, what monkey sees, monkey do. Then come up to the camera talking about I need permission to film you. You must have missed the fact that cameras are everywhere, dude. Go away.